Welcome, aspiring entrepreneurs, to the transformative world of dropshipping, a business model that promises not just revenue but a shift in how we think about commerce. Imagine a venture where the shackles of traditional retail are replaced by a model where you don't handle inventory, deal with shipping, or stress about warehousing. In this exploration, we're delving into the 10 distinct advantages that make dropshipping a beacon of opportunity for those seeking passive income. From minimal upfront investment to the freedom of location independence, each facet contributes to the allure of this business model. So without further ado, let's uncover the layers of advantages that await those ready to embark on the journey of dropshipping. Imagine a business where you don't handle inventory, deal with shipping, or stress about warehousing. That's the beauty of dropshipping, a business model that's transforming the way entrepreneurs generate passive income. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when you sell a product, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. 1. Minimal upfront investment. Low initial costs make dropshipping accessible to those with limited capital. Unlike traditional retail models that demand substantial capital for inventory, dropshipping allows you to start with relatively low initial costs. 2. Freedom from inventory management. Your focus is on scaling and marketing, not managing inventory. In the dropshipping model, you're liberated from concerns about stocking, organizing, or physically handling products. This grants you the freedom to focus on scaling and marketing rather than managing a warehouse. 3. Location independence. Run your business from anywhere with just a laptop and an internet connection. Armed with this flexibility, dropshipping not only allows you the luxury of travel, but also opens doors to tap into diverse markets, creating opportunities for growth. 4. Wide product selection. Offer a broad range of products without the limitations of physical space. Dropshipping's allure lies in its ability to facilitate a vast product selection. Unrestricted by physical space, you can offer a diverse range of products to your customers. This adaptability enables you to stay ahead of changing market trends and cater to a broad spectrum of consumer preferences. 5. Lower risk of overstocking. Eliminate the risk of overstocking as products are shipped directly from suppliers. Overstocking nightmares that plague traditional retailers become a thing of the past with dropshipping. Products are shipped directly from suppliers, meaning you only procure items as they are sold. This eradicates the risk of being saddled with unsold inventory, a common challenge in conventional retail. 6. Quick and easy testing of products. Swiftly test new products without the burden of stocking. The sixth advantage centers around rapid product testing. In the dynamic e-commerce landscape, the ability to swiftly test new products is invaluable. With dropshipping, you can seamlessly add or remove products from your catalog, minimizing risk and allowing you to adapt promptly to evolving market trends. 7. Scalability. Easily scale operations to handle increased order volumes. As your dropshipping business gains momentum, scalability becomes a seamless process. Unlike the challenges associated with traditional models, dropshipping enables you to efficiently handle increased order volumes, ensuring your business grows with ease. 8. Access to global markets. Tap into a global customer base thanks to the internet. The wonders of the internet propel dropshipping beyond local or regional constraints. With effective strategies, your dropshipping business can tap into a global customer base, extending your reach and unlocking the potential for increased earnings. 9. Low overhead costs. Enjoy low overhead costs compared to traditional businesses. Dropshipping boasts low overhead costs in comparison to traditional brick-and-mortar businesses. While traditional setups incur significant expenses like rent, utilities, and staff salaries, dropshipping's primary costs are related to maintaining an online presence, making it a notably cost-effective option. 10. Automation for efficiency. Set up systems to automate tasks like order processing, allowing for a more hands-off approach. The final advantage lies in automation for efficiency. Setting up systems that automate tasks like order processing and customer inquiries allows you to take a step back, letting your business work for you. This level of automation is a cornerstone of achieving a more hands-off approach in managing your dropshipping enterprise. Now let's delve into the practical side. The first step in your dropshipping journey is choosing the right niche. Find a balance between your passion and market demand. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to build relationships with reliable suppliers. Your reputation hinges on the reliability of your suppliers, so identify and collaborate with trustworthy partners. With your niche and suppliers in place, set up your online store. We'll guide you through platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and others, discussing the pros and cons of each. Your website is your digital storefront, so make it inviting and user-friendly. Now, onto marketing strategies. From social media ads to influencer partnerships, explore cost-effective ways to drive traffic and boost sales. Remember, the key is reaching your target audience effectively. Once the traffic's rolling in, how do you convert those visitors into paying customers? Delve into website optimization, persuasive product descriptions, and the power of compelling visuals. And now, the magic of automation. Learn how to set up systems that handle order processing, customer inquiries, and more, allowing you to step back and watch the income flow and passively. As your business gains momentum, it's crucial to monitor performance and identify opportunities for growth. Discuss scaling strategies, diversification, and maintaining that delicate balance between hands-on management and passive income. Of course, no journey is without its challenges. Explore common dropshipping hurdles like order fulfillment issues, customer complaints, and how to tackle them head-on. And there you have it, the A to Z of dropshipping for passive income. Success won't happen overnight, but with dedication, strategic planning, and continuous learning, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving passive income-generating dropshipping business. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of entrepreneurship. Until next time, happy dropshipping!